Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. First of all, I want to thanks to my all friends and viewers by giving their precious time to us. Dear viewers, this is our tutorial in which we will know how to copy, paste or cut your folders in your PC or laptop. So this is our laptop. As dear viewers, I was a student in computer science department in the University of Balochistan. My aim in life is to provide or to reach or send my message or my knowledge to my friends that might help them in their life. So our tutorials are only on base of computer science IT field, as computer is most advanced machine and which is used in every field of life, mostly in, as we know, it is used in banking, it is used in nadra, as well as it is used in different offices, because computer calculate the all mathematics in a seconds, and it which is most useful device and which is used almost all over the world. So in modern era, computer is the most important machine which is used in every field of life. So after explaining the importance of computer as well as laptop or PC, in this tutorial, dear viewers, we will learn how to cut our folders or send or paste them to other place. So first we refresh our laptop. Here it is showing as refreshing of laptop or PC. It will boost your laptop and optimize your timing, and after it as refreshing help us to work faster, and it will also maintain your computer or PC in best manner. Now we will go to the folder. Here it is showing folder 7. First we open it. As my dear viewers, it is showing open. Here it is written add to VLC media player playlist, play with VLC media player, share with. Here it is also showing with share with, stop sharing specific peoples. You can send this file to specific peoples or your friends, whatever you want. Include in library. Here it is showing in documents, music, picture, video, create new library. You can send it to your picture or music or videos, pin to start or to archive, add to new folder 7, compress and email. You can send this folder to an email to anyone, compress to folder 7 and email, send to. Here it is showing send to. You can send it to compress zipped folder, desktop create folder, documents, fax recipient, mail recipient, DVD or W drive. Here it is showing cut. When we cut it, then it will be removed from our desktop. You can see. cut or delete are almost same. So when we will try a delete one, here it is showing delete folder. Are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? It means to dustbin, or you are going to delete it. New folder 7, date created 1/27/2021 at 3:08 p.m. So if you want to delete it, then we will click yes, otherwise no. As it is empty folder, we can delete it. So it has been deleted. Now there is no folder of new folder of 7. Here it is showing a folder of named Israr. You can see. We will open it. As it is showing, the folder is empty. So now we will move another folder here. In this folder we will maximize it. It is already maximized, we will minimize it. Now you can see M7. Now if we want to send this folder in here, we will just do copy. You can see it here, it is written copy. When we return copy, then we will here come to this folder M7. Here we will click to the left mouse side, and here it is written paste. Dear viewers, when we enter this paste, the folder will be show over here. This folder is empty. Instead of this, the folder will be shown over here. You can see it. Now we will enter it. So you can see it. The folder is showing over here. If you want to open it, as this folder is also empty, so it is copied because it is showing over here copied. Once again we will send this folder, database folder, to our M7 folder. Here it is showing. So there is only one folder, Haji Khan new copy, which was created in 12/27/2020. We will also move this folder, database folder, to M7 folder. Now we will do it same. Click it over here and copy. After copying, we will come over here, clicking left corner. When we paste it, as database folder will be created over here below of this folder. You can see when we enter it, paste. So I hope you understand it. You can see the folder is created over here. Now if you want to send this or new folder, of this folder of pictures over here, and to cut it from here and send it to the new folder M7, you will just click it over here, and you will click over here cut, and come to the here. When we paste it, then it will be shown over at top, but it will be deleted from here, because this is another way to send the file from one folder to another folder, and instead of here and here. The folder the folder will be deleted over here on our desktop. We will just click on paste, then it will be show in the new folder of M7. So it is showing over here pictures, folder of pictures, but there is no folder because it is deleted from here. This was our tutorial. I hope you understand it. Kindly subscribe our channel and support us. I am very thankful to my all viewers and supporters by giving their precious time to us and by subscribing and watching our videos, as we are make videos to help others which may understand or help others in any way. So thank you very much and take care.